Greetings, aviators. This is an update from Utah. Got this shower awning from Kickass products, and I figured what better place to review it than beautiful Moab. At the moment everyone else is away from camp. I took a lazy day and just did a couple of maintenance items, but while I had time I figured I'd show you this just as a little bit of bonus. The tent itself is really easy. It comes with brackets to mount it onto your roof rack system, whatever that might be, and it sets up in literally seconds if you watch right quick. There are two red tabs. And then crossbars. And just like that, you're ready to go. It's perfect for changing clothes while you're at a rest stop or something, or if you're at a campsite and you just want the privacy, or if you need to pull over while you're on a road trip and use the facilities. You can do it in the comfort of a little bit of privacy rather than the side of the interstate. So I have really enjoyed this. It's come in handy on this trip. I've showered about 4 or 5 times in it, and that's using a water port, which is a pressurized water tank. And I can honestly say that I only have one complaint from this entire product, and that is the setup, the teardown. The setup is extremely easy. It's straightforward, and it's really hard to mess it up. But the teardown, as you're folding everything back into place, you start to realize that the bag it all fits into is extremely tight. So rolling it up takes just a second. Then shoving all of this back in here really just is a major pain. I've not really found a simple or easy way to do this other than just forcing it all in there. But the zippers are just a nightmare. The bag itself is barely big enough for everything to fit in there, and I just would appreciate about 1 inch on every dimension so that it all fits a little bit more nicely. But that's really my only complaint. The rest of the system is absolutely amazing. I'll set it back up and show you a few of the little accessories, and it's not bad for only $150, which I think is pretty competitive compared to the other shower awning systems like it. So here's a closer look at it. Just walk around for you here, and the mounting hardware that it comes with is fairly standard. Just those L brackets. I mounted it onto my tubular roof rack, which is very custom and not that nice, but it works, and that's what matters to me. There's a look at the straps, which are decent nylon. It's nothing special, but they work, and that way you can adjust the height so that if you don't want your feet showing, you can lower it all the way down, or if you don't want to be having eye contact with anyone while you're in the shower, you can raise it up. The side over here Has a nice zipper, and that's the access panel so that you can get in the shower. Then this is a really interesting feature that I didn't even realize was the case until I actually got it. But the designers put a little window in it so that you can access a gull wing if you have one, or just use the window. What I'll do is I'll just use the window as a mirror. Brush my teeth, whatever. So that's pretty neat, pretty interesting. It comes with a little bag of stakes for the four corners. If it gets really windy, you can tack it down. And obviously 2 little bags for, I keep like clean laundry in that one, and then in here I'll put like toiletries and stuff. Then usually I can just hang a towel over the edge on any one of these bars and it works perfectly. But that's pretty much it. I honestly can say it is pretty kick-ass.